Subscribe my channel Let's Know Everything and click on bell icon to get every latest new updates. Hello friends, my name is Sujay. Welcome to my channel Let's Know Everything. Friends, this is my interesting GK part 10 video. In this video, I have given 20 most interesting GK questions with answers. I am 100% sure after watching it, you will gain a lot of knowledge from this video. Then without wasting your time, let's start. First question. Which is the oldest game in India? A. Wrestling, B. Cricket, C. Hockey, D. Kabaddi. Right answer option A. Wrestling. Wrestling was started in India since 7000 BCE. Next question. Question number 2. Ramayana is the national book of which country? A. Sri Lanka, B. India, C. Nepal, D. Thailand. Right answer will be option D. Thailand. Question number 3. It's a very interesting. In which country does the sun rise at night 12 o'clock? A. Denmark, B. Finland, C. Norway, D. Sweden. Right answer option C. Norway. Yes friends, in Norway the sun rises at night 12 o'clock, and because of this Norway is also known as the land of midnight sun. Remember it, it's a very important. And friends, for your kind information, Norway is a northern European country. Question number 4. Whose car has no number plate in India? A. President, B. Police, C. Collector, D. Prime Minister. The right answer of this question is option A. President. Yes friends, there is no number plate on the car of the President of India. Question number 5. In which country ATM machine is not used? A. Monaco, B. Eritrea, C. Vietnam, D. North Korea. Right answer will be option B. Eritrea. Yes friends, there are no ATM machine in Eritrea, and for your kind information, Eritrea is an East African country. Next question. Question number 6. Pink bananas are found in which Indian state? A. Assam, B. Goa, C. Sikkim, D. Manipur. Right answer option A. Assam. Question number 7. Which animal sleeps with one eye open? A. Crocodile, B. Dolphin, C. Penguin, D. Blue whale. Right answer will be option A. Crocodile. Yes friends, crocodiles sleep with one eye open. Next question. Question number 8. Which Indian state has a dog temple? A. Maharashtra, B. Karnataka, C. Chhattisgarh, D. Uttar Pradesh. Right answer option B. Karnataka. A dog temple has been built in the city of Chinnapatna, which is located in the state of Karnataka. This temple is known as the Chinnapatna Dog Temple. Question number 9. Which gas keeps water cool in fridge? A. Ammonia, B. Oxygen, C. Nitrogen, D. Carbon dioxide. Right answer will be option A. Ammonia. Yes friends, ammonia gas is used in the fridge or refrigerator to cool the water. Next question. Question number 10. Which country has no temple? A. Saudi Arabia, B. Australia, C. Canada, D. South Africa. Right answer option A. Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia is the only country in the world where there are no temples, mosques and churches. Question number 11. How many times currency was banned in India? Right answer option C. 3 times. Yes friends, currency was banned in India 3 times, in the year 1946, 1978 and in 2016. Question number 12. WhatsApp is a company of which country? A. Japan, B. China, C. Korea, D. America. The right answer of this question is option D. America. Yes friends, WhatsApp belongs to the United States of America, USA. John Combe and Brian Acton are the founders of WhatsApp. Its headquarters located in Mountain View, California. From 2009, WhatsApp was started to use. Next question. Question number 13. Which disease is caused by running a mobile phone? A. Brain tumor, B. Heart attack, C. Eye pain, D. All of the above. Right answer option D. All of the above. Question number 14. How much does smoking on cigarette shorten a person's life? A. 5 minutes, B. 6 minutes, C. 11 minutes, D. 10 minutes. Right answer option C. 11 minutes. Yes friends, on cigarette reduces 11 minutes from a person's life. For this reason, if you smoke cigarettes, you should quit immediately. Question number 15. Which acid is sprayed in the house to prevent snakes? A. Sulfuric acid, B. Carbolic acid, C. Nitric acid, D. Tartaric acid. Right answer option B. Carbolic acid. Yes friends, snakes cannot tolerate the smell of carbolic acid. For this reason, carbolic acid is sprayed in the house to prevent snakes. And friends, remember, carbolic acid is also known as phenol. Chemical formula C6H5OH. Got it friends? Next question. Question number 16. Red color river can be found in which country? A. Venezuela, B. Germany, C. Vietnam, D. Philippines. Right answer option C. Vietnam. Next question. Question number 17. It's a very interesting. Which railway station is situated in two states? A. Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus, B. Navapur Railway Station, C. New Delhi Railway Station, D. Howrah Junction Railway Station. Right answer option B. Navapur Railway Station. Yes friends, Navapur Railway Station in India lies between two states. One half of this station is situated in Tapi district of Gujarat and other half of this station is situated in Nandurbar district of Maharashtra. Question number 18. Which human organ continues to grow after death? A. Bone, B. Nail, C. Eyes, D. Brain. Right answer option B. Nail. And friends, remember, like nails, hair is another organ that continues to grow even after death. Question number 19. Which disease is cured by eating stale bread? A. Blood sugar, B. Piles, C. Asthma, D. Diabetes. Right answer option D. Diabetes. Last and final question. Question number 20. How many years did it take to build the Great Wall of China? A. 2000 years, B. 500 years, C. 1000 years, D. 1200 years. Right answer of this question is option A. 2000 years. Yes friends, it took time to build the Great Wall of China, more than 2000 years. And for your kind information, King Shi Huang, first emperor of China, built this Great Wall of China around 220 BCE to protect themselves from foreign invasion. So friends, I hope you like this video. If I am right, then please hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family. And if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon to get the notification of my all latest new videos. Thank you so much friends for being with me and watching this video till the end. Thank you so much.